We are going to take a look at a Grizzly G0501 14-inch sliding table saw. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a low-use saw and shows more shelf wear than actual use. This saw has a 10 horsepower main arbor motor and a 14-inch max blade capacity. It will also run at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, or 6,000 RPM. This slider also sports a 1 horsepower motor for the 4 3/4 inch scoring blade with motorized digital blade controls. The rise and fall along with the tilt is also motorized on this saw. The maximum crosscut is 52.5 inches. The sliding table is on a vertical guide system with precision bearing rollers and has over 10 feet of travel. The miter fence is adjustable from 30 degrees to 135 degrees with an accurate degree scale. The crosscut slide table has an eccentric locking clamp and hard chrome-plated slideway. You will even find dual flip stops on the outrigger fence.